what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're about to do her driving test. The DMV opens in approximately 50 minutes. So we're running through the driving test maybe 1 or 2 more times before they open. She has been practicing, so she's pretty decent. Right? Yeah. Alright, so they're gonna ask you a bunch of questions. Well, it's a series of questions, like a 4-part question. If you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left to the curb.
Away from the curb.
Away from the curb, and then you're gonna put it in park. Put your emergency brakes up, and then you turn the ignition off. Okay,
good. Alright, go ahead. Do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Alright. Again, they're doing those things. They're checking the brake, the turn signal, the brake lights, the horn, to make sure those things are actually working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Another thing that they're doing lately is they're asking you to turn the wheel all the way to the left. Go ahead, turn all the way left. And they're doing that so they can check the tires. They're going to be outside looking at your tires, making sure the tires are actually good. Again, they will not take you out in a car if you have bald tires. So when you turn all the way left or right to show them the tire, turn it back to the middle before. So go 2 times to the middle and stop. So make sure you straighten the wheel. Again, if you do not straighten the wheel, when you move the car, it will be going in one direction or the other, and that can actually mess you up. So make sure you straighten the car. Alright? Once they're done with their pre-test inspection, they'll get back into the car and then they'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. Alright, so we're going to reverse from here and we're going to run through the test. So reverse and we'll start going through. So we reverse and we're going to the left. So you back up until the mirror gets to the end of the line, end of the parking lot line, like that. Turn all the way to the right. So again, you're going left, so you have to put the back of the car to the right. Keep it in reverse. Go back, straight back. And back up until the kind of middle mirrors in the middle of the space. Maybe a little bit more. I put it in drive. And we're gonna go down to the stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. And again, we're doing the test at about between 5 and 10 miles per hour. So you come to a complete stop down here. And you make sure you signal left. As soon as they tell you that you're going to turn left, you signal left. Alright, go ahead. Press gently on the gas. And we're going to go down to the stop sign at the end of this corridor. We're going to make a left turn. So press the gas gently again. And you're turning left, so you signal left. Again, if you don't signal, you will lose 4 points for each time that you don't signal. So you definitely want to signal. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. And you make sure you're going into your right lane. Go all the way down to this garbage can area and make a left. Not that you have a choice here. You can only go left. Stay closer to the right side. That's important. If you drive on the left lane, they're going to fail you. So make sure you stay in your right lane. Alright, go ahead around the corner. You don't need to signal actually, because you have nowhere else you can go, right? It's the only option. Now there's this tree sticking out in the middle of the place here. We're going to make a right turn. But again, it's kind of tricky. If you turn too quick, your back wheel will go over the curb. So go slightly to the left and make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. Not that far left, right? About here is good. And then turn. As soon as you go around the corner here, they're gonna have you stop the car. And now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop. It's called a quick stop or whatever, emergency stop. So speed up 20 miles per hour and then stop. When I say stop, speed up and stop. Okay, cool. Alright, reverse straight back. So you look behind you and just let it roll straight back. No gas. Just try to keep it as straight as possible in your lane. Don't end up in the parking space. Don't end up in the other lane. And that would be perfect. Stop here. Alright, we're going to go forward and we're going to go around the corner to do the parking, the 3-point turn, and then head back. So make sure you signal left here again. Stay close to your right side. And we're going to park in between the poles. So again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park. So line up your mirror with the pole. That's a bit too much. Back up a little bit. Right there is good. Alright, so signal left, turn all the way left. As you get to the middle of the space, you straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Alright, cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. As soon as you're past the mirror again, the mirror is past the pole, we're going to turn all the way right. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. And we're going to stop as soon as your mirror is past the middle. Put it in drive. Pull close to the curb on the right side here, because we're going to do the 3-point turn. Close to the right. Alright, stop here. 3-point turn. As soon as the mirror is past the middle, you stop. Alright, stop completely here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. Make sure you're going to your right lane. And then we're going to go all the way down to the end. And we're going to get you on the line before they come out, because they're going to be like, where is she? If she's not on the line, she's not going to be getting serviced. Now look at the DMV line, people. That's what the DMV line looks like early in the morning. It's not that bad this morning, actually, in comparison to some mornings. Alright, so we're gonna make a left, and then we're gonna make an immediate left. So you slow down, make sure you go to the right lane, and then left again, signal left again. Going to the right lane. Michael! Stay close to your right side here. And we're going to park into the second space. So again, we're going to come and line up the mirror with the first line. Go up a little bit more to the next one. See that? Up a little bit, just a touch. Right there. Alright, signal left, turn all the way left. As you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel, and stop. Cool. Put the final park. Now, how do you think you did?
Good.
Very good. See all that worry? Yeah, she did great. I expect her to do 100% actually. If she do it the way she just did it. And the only thing that would prevent her from doing it exactly like that would be nerves. And you don't seem too nervous right now. You're good. So yeah, I'll put in the description how much she got on her test, but I'm expecting 95 to 100. Alright, so now that that is over, I'm gonna ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel. I am almost at 15,000 subscribers. It should be 150,000 by now, but okay. I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm at almost 15,000. I have over 100,000 hours of watch time. So people are watching, they're just not subscribing. So I'm begging you please to subscribe and share the channel. Hit that notification bell too so you can be notified when I post. Alright, thank you for watching. Tell the people to make sure they subscribe to the channel, please.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Bye. Alright, see you guys on the next one.